Hello everyone, this is Vipin Sharma and I'm expert in aviation and tourism industry because I have worked in this industry for last 37 years. We are helping students to start a career in aviation, tourism and hospitality industry, and that's where we get you a lot of jobs which are available for our students to grab and start a career with the airline or tourism industry. And I'm here to share with you a list which has been released by IndiGo Airlines about the job interviews they are doing all across India in different cities in the month of December. They're looking for cabin crew staff, female, and let's look at the eligibility criteria for the same. Now, to apply for these jobs, you should be an Indian national with a valid Indian passport between the age of 18 to 27 years. Your qualification should be minimum 10 plus 2, which is 12th pass from a recognized board or university. You should have fluency and clarity in speaking English and Hindi both. Your height should be minimum 155 centimeters and your weight should be in proportionate to BMI. You should have a positive body language and well groomed, and you should not have any visible tattoos or marks in your body. Now students, here is the chart. Today is 13th of December when we are recording this video. We have got this chart a little late from the airline this time, but some of the dates are already gone, but there are still dates available because they are doing interview. Let's say from 15th they are doing in Mumbai, on 16th in Delhi, Chandigarh and Kolkata, on 19th in Guwahati and Delhi, on 20th in Dehradun and Bengaluru, on 21st Jaipur and Pune, on 22nd Shimla and Mumbai, on 23rd Kolkata and Gurugram, on 24th Dimapur, on 26th again Delhi, 27th again Mumbai, 28th Hyderabad, 29th Bagdogra and Mumbai, and 30th in Lucknow. So we are happy to share this link with all our student community who are already doing courses with us. This is the link. You need to go there and register yourself online, which is mandatory for you to apply for this job. And I hope you have already finished your course and you are already certified and you're carrying the certificate with you, because that will hold a good value to tell the airline that you're already trained and they don't have to spend too much time in putting you on the flights. So if you are not certified yet, please complete your course and get certified. And in case you want to have a mock interview with us, book your mock interview today, and because we are here to help you, to tell you how you can clear that interview without any problem. Also, if you see in the eligibility, they want people who can speak well, who are groomed well and have a good positive body language. All this you can learn from our courses, which is English communication skill, personality development skill, and international grooming standard skills, which is available for you online, which you can buy and learn everything today while sitting at home and upskill yourself to meet their selection criteria. So all the best to all the students who are applying for this. We look forward to hear positive news from you about your selection. And for the rest of you, keep learning and all the best.